Kempegowda International Airport in Bengaluru has been ranked the best airport at arrivals globally at the 2025 Airport Service Quality Awards presented by Airports Council International. This marks the airport's fourth consecutive win according to officials. The recognition highlights the airport's consistent performance in delivering a smooth and efficient arrival experience for passengers. Travelers have reported fast immigration procedures, quick baggage delivery, and streamlined customs clearance, which have contributed to high satisfaction levels. The airport is operated by Bangalore International Airport Limited, which stated that the ASQ program is the world's leading benchmark for measuring airport customer experience. The program evaluates passenger satisfaction through globally standardized surveys conducted during the travel journey. According to airport officials, the awards recognize airports that perform consistently well in areas such as service quality, comfort, convenience, and cleanliness.